Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Google Analytics 4 for e-commerce strategy insights, full guide step by step clearly. To activate Google Analytics 4 for e-commerce strategy insights, start by navigating to the Google Analytics website. Sign in to your Google account. If you don't have a Google Analytics account, create one by following the on-screen prompts. Once signed in, click on the admin gear icon located at the lower left corner. In the admin panel, locate the account column and click on the drop-down menu. Choose the account you want to use or create a new one if necessary. Next, move to the property column and click the drop-down menu. Select Create Property to set up a new Google Analytics 4 property. Enter the property name relevant to your e-commerce site. Set the reporting time zone and currency. Click Next to continue. Fill in the required business information, including your industry category and business size. Select your desired data sharing settings before clicking Create. Once the property is created, a new screen will appear with your measurement ID. Copy this ID as you'll need it later for integration. Next, navigate to your e-commerce website's backend. If you're using a CMS like WordPress or Shopify, locate the Settings section for Google Analytics. Paste the measurement ID into the designated field. If your platform requires, install any necessary plugins to facilitate the integration. Save your changes and ensure that your website is properly tracking data. To enable e-commerce tracking, return to the Google Analytics admin panel. In the Property column, select Data Streams. Click on your website's data stream to access its settings. Under Enhanced Measurement, ensure that it is toggled on. This will automatically collect basic e-commerce interactions. After that, scroll down to find the e-commerce settings option. Click on it and toggle the Enable Enhanced e-commerce reports option. Save your changes to activate enhanced e-commerce tracking. Next, begin setting up events tailored for your e-commerce strategy. In Google Analytics 4, events measure specific actions on your site. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.